Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale virtual events via Zoom, full guide step by step clearly. To scale virtual events via Zoom, start by defining your event goals. Identify your target audience and understand their needs. Choose the right Zoom plan that accommodates your event size. Familiarize yourself with Zoom's features, such as breakout rooms, polls, and webinars. Create a compelling event agenda that keeps your audience engaged. Promote your event through multiple channels like social media and email. Utilize Zoom registration tools to streamline the sign-up process. Send reminder emails a few days and hours before the event. Prepare your technology by conducting test runs for all equipment. Design an engaging presentation that incorporates visuals and interactive elements. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection to prevent disruptions. Assign roles within your team for moderation, technical support, and engagement. Train your team on Zoom's features to maximize effectiveness during the event. Engage participants by encouraging interaction through chat and Q&A sessions. Monitor attendance and participation rates throughout the event. Gather feedback through post-event surveys to assess success. Analyze data collected to identify areas for improvement in future events. Use the insights gained to refine your strategy for scaling future virtual events. Implement lessons learned to enhance the planning process for your next event. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.